Now let's understand how a clutch works. The clutch basket freewheels with respect to the gearbox. The engine power will spin the clutch basket, but it will not transfer any power to the gearbox. However, the inner hub is connected to the input shaft of the gearbox. If we spin this inner hub, then it will also spin the gearbox input shaft. Let's take a hypothetical connector with teeth on its internal and external portion that can interlock with both the clutch basket and the inner hub. If we insert this hypothetical connector between the clutch basket and the inner hub, then we can spin both of these at once and the engine power reaches the gearbox. And if we remove this hypothetical connector, the clutch basket and inner hub will be independent again and the engine power is disconnected. But there is a problem in using this connector. When the connector is removed, the inner hub spins due to inertia of the motorcycle rear wheel, and the outer basket spins due to engine power. This is why these two components start spinning at different speeds. In order to interlock with both of these non-synchronized spinning components, the hypothetical connector will have to spin at two different speeds at the same time, which is impossible. For example, if it matches the inner hub speed, then interlocking this connector with the outer basket will be either impossible or too difficult. To eliminate this problem, the clutch pack is used in place of this hypothetical connector. Unlike our hypothetical connector, the clutch pack is a combination of separate circular plates. Let's take any two adjacent plates from the clutch pack. One of them is a friction plate, and the other is a steel plate. The friction plate has teeth on the outer circumference, which always interlocks with the clutch basket and can slide sideways along this clutch basket. The plate spins with the clutch basket, but doesn't affect the inner hub. The steel plate has teeth in its inner portion, which always interlocks with the grooves in the inner hub and can slide sideways along this hub. This plate spins with the inner hub, but doesn't affect the outer basket. As these plates can slide sideways, we can press them together, gradually increasing friction so that both of them start acting like a single unit, like our hypothetical connector. With this arrangement, if we spin the outer basket, the inner hub will also spin. This will eventually transfer power from the engine to the gearbox. Even if the plates are spinning at different RPM at first, the gradual increase in friction between them will eventually synchronize them. If we release the pressure, the two plates become independent. This will disconnect the inner hub with the clutch basket, and the engine power is disconnected. Several other plates are added to increase strength and surface area.